Now that we've got our slides completely installed, we slipped our leaf into there, and you wouldn't have to have it in there. We will have to have it for our locks. So I thought, well, let's put it in there, and we'll have it in place for the leaf levelers also. So the idea is to have them cross like this, okay? And all they do is just hold that leaf up off of the slides and make sure that they are in line with the pins as you begin to close that table. This is a 2-inch piece. I made a tiny little pen line. So we line these up and tap that in to get it set. One little screw to hold it. So the next step is our locks, and we're just going to put them right here in the middle. As you come in, it turns the piece, okay, into place. And then as you continue to turn, it pulls it in and locks and reverse like so. We need a pretty good straight line there for a center. So let's test these out.